Hello, welcome to our order flow master course prepared to you by Day Trading Tanzania. Presenter is Kenneth, also known as Carfax, as many of you know. So in this video, I'm just going to show you what our course mainly carries or entails and what you do gain the most on taking our course. So, disclaimer first, trading foreign currencies can be challenging and potentially profitable opportunities for investors. However, before deciding to participate in the forex market, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, levels of experience, and risk appetite. Most importantly, do not invest in money you cannot afford to lose. There is considerable exposure to risk in any foreign exchange transaction. Any transaction involving currencies involves risk, including but not limited to the potential for changing political and/or economic conditions that may substantially affect the price or liquidity of a currency. Investments in foreign exchange speculation may also be susceptible to sharp rises and falls as relevant market values fluctuate. The leveraged nature of forex trading means that any market movement will have an equally proportional effect on your deposited funds. This may work against you as well as for you. Not only many investors get less than they invested, but in case of high risk strategies, investors may lose the entirety of the investment. It is for this reason that when speculating in such market, it is advisable to use only risk capital. So, what will you get the most out of this course? First, you'll be able to integrate order flow into your trading system, that is which means for those who are using traditional trading methods like the use of support and resistance trend lines. Also, if you have maybe you're using moving averages, RSI, order flow is going to help you to confirm your trade moves or trade directions or your entry or exit decisions. It's going to be able you're going to be able to integrate order flow into your system. The second is ability to read and understand order flow at present market conditions and make decisions of the near future. That is being able to analyze the bid traded volume and ask traded volume in the current market, so as you can predict the nearby future, either the market is going to go up or the market is going to go down. Also, you're going to be able to execute trade based on what you see and not what you think. What we simply say about what you see is you will have the ability to see who is in control at current market conditions and follow the direction of this where the market is strong, rather than follow the direction where the market is weak. So another way you can say you'll be able to see the big money participants and follow them. That is the same way as being able to see when new trends are being created in the market, and for you to be able to follow those market directions. So who is this course for? This is for active traders aiming to take their trading to the next level. That is, if you are not satisfied to what you have been currently doing and you want to take your trading to the next level, like in a professional way, order flow is for you. For traders who have been winning markets and want to maximize their profits, we understand there are traders who have been using the same traditional methods for a number of years and have been able to be successful in the market. So using order flow is going to be also helpful to you to maximize your profit. Let's say you had a winning ratio of 50%. Let's say now we might make that to 20 plus 25% or 40%, depending on how you're going to use it. So for traders who want to know of what is going on beyond the normal trading charts, so some of you traders have been asking themselves, like, what is really going on? We only see the aggregated trading chart, like the footprint. We only see the candlestick chart and line charts, but what is really going on? So with order flow, you'll be able to see what is behind the normal candlestick chart or beyond the bar chart or even the line chart. Also, for traders who have been losing for a while and tried many winning strategies, even though they have been doing the same right things. So we understand that there are many of you traders who have been losing over and over and trying all these many strategies. What I can say is sorry for you guys, because you haven't been really trying the good. It's all about the strategy. It's about the proper tools of what are you facing in the market. What do you really see in the market? What do you really assess in the market? You can really rely on I don't know, your normal traditional charts. For example, you just see a doji. Sometimes it's confusing. You see a hammer, a bearish hammer, then the market just trades in the same direction. Instead of being bearish, the market starts to be very strongly bullish. So order flow is going to eliminate all those uncertainties that happen during your trading days and give you a better way of looking in the market. So lastly, this is for traders who want to be active day traders, who will be on the screen almost 10 more than 12 hours a day, be trading on the markets. And I know it's very challenging for traders who are more than 12 hours in the market on the screen, and then they only rely on candlestick charts, close of the candlestick chart, maybe for price to close below or above a certain level, certain trend line, or certain support or resistance. So this is going to be much advanced for you to become day traders. This is the right tool for you to use. So who is this course not for? Traders who are not ready to learn, those traders who just want to easily quick and grab. This is not for you. So traders who think you can simply get a whole strategy without working hard for it, this is not for you. The course is not specifically for you guys. So traders who are scavengers, like we have those type of traders who they always want to be fed everything. They really want to learn, but what the mode of learning is different, because they want to be taught everything. Even if when it comes to real trading, now live trading, they even want to be taught maybe now you have to buy, now you have to sell. Of course, you'll be taught in the preamble stages, in the first stages, but in the future you need to be able to learn how to be independent and focus on your own going forward. So the content of the course is divided into three parts. We have the basic part, intermediate part, and the advanced part. So upon each end of the part, you'll find a quiz which you have to attend to before going into the next level. So we can say that this is just like the levels for you to learn and understand. So the basic part entails the following: introduction to order flow, introduction to DOM and super DOM, introduction to footprints and order flow terms. So this is mainly for you to be introduced to the context of order flow and what we're going to be using throughout our course. Each lesson contains subtopics of their own. So every lesson that I've just mentioned contains their own subtopics, 3 or more, depending on the broad of the subject. So the intermediate level, this is where most of the things will start making sense. So we'll be looking at liquidity position process, how to read the tape, reading the heat map, and also reading the volume profile, or maybe you can even say how to interpret the whole volume profile. Now, for the advanced section, this is where we will be diving more deeper into our course, where you're going to be learning of order flow analysis, order flow patterns, order flow trading strategies, and also risk management. And this is where we are going to conclude our course. So the course is just cheaply available at $250. So you can just subscribe anytime which you feel like you are ready, and we can get started. So for contact, you can just simply leave your contact information, or you can contact us via Telegram at ColorFX, and we can get started right away.